Hi everyone, it's a cold and frosty morning, so we're going to go straight in and I'll tell you a bit more about this fantastic property. You won't have seen much like this one before, so let's go in straight away and have a look. It's much nicer in here, and I'm going to give you a quick tour. This barn conversion was done in the mid-90s, exceptional standards, bolted ceilings, 2 bedrooms, spacious throughout, the attention to detail, that perfect combination of period features, contemporary finishing. If that's what you're looking for, they're rare to find and they don't get much better than this. Let's have a quick tour around the property. If you wanted a final feature of this home, then check out the mezzanine. Completely flexible in the way it's used, currently as a dining room, could be a study home office if you work from home, would work just perfectly. If you're interested in this property and want to have a viewing, get in touch. If you're on YouTube, hit subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll keep you informed of all future property videos.